Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I've been getting a lot lately. Does NBKC have a virtual card? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what a virtual card is and why you might want one. What is a virtual card? A virtual card is a digital version of a credit or debit card. It has the same information as a physical card, such as your name, card number, and expiration date, but it exists only online. You can use it to make purchases online and over the phone, but you can't use it to make in-person transactions. Why would you want a virtual card? There are a few reasons why you might want a virtual card. One reason is for security. Virtual cards are more secure than physical cards because they can't be lost or stolen. They also have a shorter lifespan than physical cards, so if your virtual card is compromised, you can simply cancel it and get a new one. Another reason to use a virtual card is for convenience. You can use it to make purchases from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. You can also set spending limits on your virtual card, which can help you stay on budget. So, does NBKC have a virtual card? The answer is yes. NBKC offers a virtual card as part of its suite of banking products. You can get a virtual card for free when you open a new checking account. How to get a virtual card from NBKC? Here's how to get a virtual card from NBKC. Open a new checking account with NBKC. Once your account is approved, you can log into online banking and click on the Cards tab. Select Virtual Card and follow the prompts to create your card. How to use your NBKC virtual card. Once you have your virtual card, you can use it to make purchases online and over the phone. Here are a few tips for using your virtual card. Be sure to use a secure website or app when making online purchases. Never share your virtual card information with anyone. Keep track of your virtual card transactions so you can easily spot any fraudulent activity. NBKC offers a virtual card that can be a great way to make online and over-the-phone purchases more secure and convenient. If you're looking for a bank that offers a virtual card, NBKC is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.